Sometimes we go on these trips. You don't want to keep looking back. You just want to move forward. This trip was us getting back to nature, but in a park with Caden, myself, and my wife. And we can't forget Tasha. Life can just be so busy. We're always moving so fast. And we get caught up in the everyday needs and wants. But we forget to take that time for ourselves and just to relax and enjoy nature. Getting out for walks. I mean, just look at Tasha. She's just loving the adventure. Caden just eats it up. He just loves that journey.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Nice day to be at the lake. The waves are a bit choppy.
I got the night form! What is this wildlife in here?
This is an amazing adventure that we are on. Something that COVID basically brought to us. As someone that was working, 12-hour days, 5, 6, 7 days a week, doing 1-2 hours a day, I was going crazy. Getting out and adventuring was something to do. This has turned into a passion. This has turned into a love. This has turned into something that we've got to do. Tasha will walk up to me with her harness. She wants to go on an adventure. Caden will ask, where's our next adventure? The truck tells me, it's time to get out. It's time to do another adventure. So that's what we do. That's what we are. We are Van City Adventure. Thank you everybody for joining us. We love you, and remember, get out there and do epic shit.